Jackie, first of all, your reaction to the injunction be granted?
We're extremely pleased. We had a hearing this morning, and Judge Burke, after reviewing the evidence and listening to the witnesses, then decided that a permanent injunction was the appropriate thing to do in this case.
What does it mean as far as enforcement and what penalties these people face?
Well, at this time now, if anyone sells bath salts in Luzerne County, they can be charged with recklessly endangering or a public nuisance, and also face civil penalties as well. So it's very, very important that we did this today.
Jackie, have any of the businesses come out or said they're not going to stop selling, or have you had a positive response from every business identified in those original places?
As of today, we've had a positive response, but obviously they may say that they're going to stop selling them, so we're going to have to enforce that and be sure that they've stopped selling them. And if we find that someone is still selling them, then they will be charged criminally.
Jackie, what if somebody stocked up on these? This is like the common John Doe bought these from these stores. Would somebody like that be subject to?
Absolutely. If an individual sells the substance or passes it to another individual, just like delivery of a controlled substance, then at that point we would be able to charge them as well. But we're waiting for the House bill to go through the Senate now so that they can be classified as controlled substances. And then once that happens, we'll simply use the Drug Act to enforce these.
What about going after those who supply to these little stores? Have you looked into that at all, or whose jurisdiction is that?
Well, we're talking about that, but it's our understanding that it's coming from out of the country over the internet, so that would be more than the local jurisdictions could probably handle. At this point, we're taking it a step at a time, and we're hoping that the legislature acts quickly. So again, I am urging the Senate to please look at this bill and move as quickly as you can.
Any additional penalties face users or buyers?
Right now it is the sellers. It is the sellers of the product that we are going after with this injunction.
And I guess of those overseas who sell